Welcome to Baking Basics with the Sweet Bee. This course is designed for anyone who wants to learn the fundamentals of baking, whether you're a complete novice or just looking to brush up on your skills. In this course, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to become a confident baker. From understanding basic ingredients to mastering essential techniques, we've got you covered. We'll start with the building blocks of baking, basic ingredients. You'll learn about different types of flour, sugar, leavening agents, and fats, and how they interact to create delicious treats. Next, we'll introduce you to the essential tools every baker needs. We'll cover everything from measuring cups and spoons to mixing bowls and baking pans, ensuring you're well equipped for success. Once you have your ingredients and tools, we'll dive into fundamental baking techniques. These are the core skills that will allow you to create a wide variety of baked goods. Accuracy is key in baking. We'll teach you how to measure ingredients precisely, whether by weight or volume, to ensure consistent and delicious results every time. You'll learn about different mixing methods, such as creaming, whisking, and folding, and when to use each one to achieve the perfect texture for your baked goods. After mastering the basics, you'll put your skills to the test by baking classic treats that are sure to impress. We'll start with everyone's favorites, cookies and brownies. You'll learn to make chewy cookies, fudgy brownies, and all the delicious variations in between. Then, we'll move on to simple cakes, perfect for beginners. You'll learn how to bake fluffy vanilla cakes and rich chocolate cakes, along with basic frosting techniques. Ready to explore the wonderful world of bread? We'll introduce you to the basics of bread making, from understanding yeast to kneading dough. You'll gain confidence in handling yeast and working with dough, learning about proofing, shaping, and baking techniques that yield delicious homemade bread. We'll provide easy-to-follow recipes for classic breads, like no-knead bread and simple white loaves, so you can enjoy the satisfaction of baking your own bread. Baking can have its challenges, but don't worry, we'll equip you with troubleshooting tips to handle common issues and ensure your baking adventures are always successful. Learn how to avoid common baking mistakes like overmixing, improper oven temperatures, and incorrect ingredient ratios, so you can achieve perfect results every time. We'll share valuable tips and tricks to help you get consistent results in your baking, ensuring your creations are always delicious and beautiful. Congratulations! By completing this curriculum, you'll have a solid foundation in baking, ready to explore endless possibilities in your kitchen. This course offers step-by-step guidance, practical techniques, and delicious recipes, making baking accessible and enjoyable for everyone. So are you ready to embark on a sweet adventure? Enroll in our beginner baking curriculum today and get ready to bake some magic.